I just finished filming the All My Friends Are Dead video, and so now I decided I would do the next one. This is called All My Friends Are Still Dead. It is by the same people, and if you look at it, it's basically the same cover. The only thing is, the dinosaur is facing a different direction. And this one's lighter, and this one's darker. It's the only difference. This is the sequel, and I'm going to read it to you now. All my friends are still dead. All my friends are still dead. All my friends are still alive. Jerks. It's super boring up here. I guess I'm gonna watch some living people showering. All my friends are bacon. Honestly, we think of him as more of an acquaintance. Dang it. Most of my friends defriended me. I probably shouldn't have posted all those poems. I was not programmed to understand the concept of friendship. But there is an emptiness inside that I can't explain. Let me try. Never-ending solitude. All my friends are totally replaceable, right, Marcus? I'm Rita. Shoot, Marcus owed me money. All my friends are losers. We were just a few numbers off, Jeremy. That's what losers say, Rick. My friends always die at the absolute worst times. All my friends are garbage. Don't tell nobody, but one time I dressed up a trash can as a lady. It didn't work out. You better treat her right, Joey C. All my friends will eat all your dead friends. It's just what we do. I'm around dead people all the time, and I think it's starting to negatively affect my personal life. God, you're beautiful. You look exactly like one of the like this one corpse I know. Dang it. All my friends are total disasters. I think I smashed buildings because my father was distant. All my friends are suckers. All my friends just suck. Hello, all-in-one printer scanner. Will you be my friend? Eternal isolation. All my friends are glue. I won the Kentucky Derby 3 times. All my friends have really changed. We're best friends. I know it's not intentional, but sometimes you guys really hurt my feelings. It is intentional. Wow, that was only the second time I've ever kissed a living person. Something is seriously wrong with me. Hello there, Mr. Refrigerator. Will you be my friend? Yes, of course. Sorry, I misspoke. I meant to say no. Sorry, my eyes itchy. Yeah, girl, work that loofah. I've really been trying to make friends recently. It's just so hard to meet people these days. Oops. Acknowledgements. Oh, apparently, at this point, they co-wrote another book called I Feel Relatively Neutral About New York. I think I should read that. Oh, and they have Twitters and t-shirts. It's called BigStonehead.net. I will definitely go on that after this. My heart valve has ruptured. And that was the book. All my friends are still dead. I feel like this book was shorter than the last. Or maybe the video was just shorter. Oh, it's because I got interrupted, so it seems shorter. My little sister came in. So there's gonna be a really awkward edit, and I'm really sorry about it. But my sister walked in. Okay. See you guys later. Love you guys. Bye.